name is Soibel, and I'm teaching the fundamentals of data management and artificial intelligence in clinical research.
My name is Nishan Balakumar. I'm teaching the clinical trials monitoring course. Clinical trials are essentially, very important because they're a backbone of evidence-based medicine. Clinical trials are essential in the sense where we use them to evaluate the safety and efficacy of new treatments.
The approach of clinical trials is really important because you've got other industries like vitamins and other supplements that don't go through that stringent process, and people often don't understand the process that goes into getting a drug released into the market.
Clinical research in particular, I don't think it's just an individual benefit for patient, but also equally as important for us to understand public health on a global scale as well.
I would say all clinical trials are part of clinical research. There's other types of clinical research, like when it comes to maybe device or maybe observational trials where you're not actually providing a drug. Clinical trials to me is all about, you have to give a drug to a patient that you've researched ahead of time, using animals, using healthy volunteers, and now you've got to follow that patient's journey.
And when we're looking at the timing of all that, can be up to like 10 to 15 years. It takes a very long time and a lot of money and investment that goes into these molecules.
It's really all about, of course, we want to help people, we want to, cure diseases, but we want to do it in a safe way that doesn't have a lot of side effects.
Without clinical research and rigorous research in general, what we see medical innovation now is not going to be where it is without these different steps, these different regulatory bodies.
It's very important to understand that it's a scientific process. There's a lot of evidence. We really have to show that a drug is better than anything on the market before it actually gets approved by the FDA.
It's such a rewarding experience, and what makes it nice is the patient interaction, but also being able to kind of understand the different backgrounds in these roles that you see in a clinical research facility as well. This course in particular is very unique in the sense where it's a structured learning experience for a lot of the students that are able to get that theoretical knowledge and being able to see it in action and see it applied in practice.
The common denominator is all of us are there to help the patient. It's really hammered into you that the reason we're doing all this is for the patient.